The 6th century was a time of significant change and progress across the globe. In southern England, the legendary Arthur rose to fame by defeating Saxons at Dorset. Meanwhile, in the Byzantine Empire, the magnificent Hagia Sophia Cathedral was constructed, and Justinian the Great brought stability after years of conflict. In China, after centuries of division and internal strife, Yang Jian emerged and reunited the empire. He founded the Sui dynasty and ushered in a new era of prosperity. And in Rome, Pope Gregory brokered peace and secured independence for the city. However, amidst all these remarkable achievements, one year stands out as a stark reminder of the fragility of human existence. When a fog suddenly fell upon the earth in 536 AD, it instantly blanketed the Middle East, Europe, and parts of Asia in darkness and unexpectedly cold temperatures. In fact, the temperatures were so cold in China that it even snowed during the summer. The darkness lasted for an entire 18 months. Procopius, a Roman Byzantine historian at the time, described the unusual climate of 536 AD as one without any sun, almost as if the sun was forever stuck in a dark eclipse. Another Roman politician, Cassiodorus, reported that the sun's rays were faint and had a bluish color. Even in the middle of the day, you could not see your own shadow. This mysterious phenomenon not only led to widespread fear of a potential apocalypse but also made it extremely difficult to grow crops. This led to widespread famine, disease, and many deaths. For example, the population of Rome alone decreased by nearly 50% due to the strange and sudden change in climate. In 1990, researchers discovered evidence of huge volcanic eruption in Iceland. This eruption in 536 AD is now known as Volcanic Winter, which lasted for 18 months. The eruption spewed an enormous amount of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere. This lethal mix of ash and gas blocked out the sun's rays, causing temperatures all around the world to plummet. Researchers now call this time period the Little Ice Age. They believe that it led to much of the death and decline in Europe over the next 100 years. As the temperatures dropped, crops started to fail in many parts of the world. People suffered from food shortages and famine, leaving them malnourished and susceptible to starvation and disease. One of the worst consequences was the Justinian plague. This terrible event killed 50 million people from 541 to 549 AD. The crop failures and famines in 536 AD led to social unrest and political instability. In some places, entire societies collapsed because they didn't have enough resources to care for their people. The year 536 AD illustrated just how vulnerable Earth is to climate change. There is a great deal we can learn from its painful legacies. Today, we are facing our own modern climate change, but this time, much of it is caused by humans rather than nature alone. Learn more about the past by subscribing to Past Insight channel.